Our topic for today is factoring sum of two cubes. Sum of two cubes is in the form a cube plus b cube equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So take note of the plus sign between a cube and b cube and the binomial factor between a and b, ab plus ab. Then the minus sign ab, the middle term of the trinomial factor. And the first term is the square of a, and the last term is the square of b. So for example, we have here 27x cubed plus 8. Take the cube root of 27x, which is equals to 27x cubed, which is equals to 3x, and the cube root of 8, which is 2. And from this we have now our factor as 3x plus 2 times 3x squared minus 3x times 2 squared. So our a now is 3x, our b is 2, and simplifying we have 3x plus 2 times 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. 9x squared is from 3x squared, and 6x is from 2x, is from 3x times 2, and 4 is from 2 squared. So this is now a factor. So 27x cubed plus 8, which is equals to 3x plus 2 times 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. And another example is 64x cubed plus 125. Take the cube root of 64x, and this is equals to 4x, and the cube root of 125, which is equals to 5. And from this we have now our factor as 4x plus 5 times 4x squared minus 4x times 5 plus 5 squared. And simplifying we have 4x plus 5 times 16x squared. 16x squared is from 4x squared minus 20x. 20x is from 4x times 5, and the 25 plus 25, which is from 5. That's how to factor the sum of two cubes.